Hello everybody, my name is Astha Shah and I am a data scientist at SKF. Apart from this, I am also a mentor and I've guided more than 1,000 students in the field of data science. In the webinar taken by me, you will be knowing about these three very relevant and hot domains in the industry right now. We have electric vehicle design, we have data science and full stack development. You will know about the relevant skills that are important to get into your dream company and also about the various interview experiences. What are the other things that an interviewer looks for? For instance, whatever interviews I have taken at SKF, what are the other things I look for apart from the technical skills? You will also be able to get the correct roadmap which you should follow in order to get to your dream company. So make sure you check out the date and time of this webinar in the description of this video. And I really hope that you join this webinar to get a kickstart to your career, because this is the first step that you will be taking towards your career by choosing and identifying your interest of the domain that you really want to study and move forward with. Thank you so much, and I'm really looking forward to see you all there.